Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your area, North Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, North Delhi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy for IAS coaching in North Delhi. The features of this academy includes number 1, online classes, number 2, recorded videos with high quality, number 3, current affairs updation, number 4, experienced faculty, 5th, mock test, and finally their feature includes 24/7 doubt session. Now let us talk about their contact details and then we'll talk about the institute. The mobile number being 8123002808 and their email ID includes info@plutusacademy.com. You can know more about this institution via their website, which is www.plutusacademy.com. Alright, now let us talk about this institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government examinations like UPSC. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path towards success. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this examination, and hence you should definitely try this institution, as this is our rank 1 institute. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The email ID of this institute being info@thehinduzone.com and their contact number is 8800222298. Friends, you should definitely visit this institution's website once, which is www.thehinduzone.com. As when you will visit this institute website, you will get an option to register yourselves for a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone provides you a completely free of cost counseling session. Also, I would like to tell you that during this COVID pandemic, they are here to guide the aspirants about the best online platform to prepare themselves sitting at their own comfort zone. Moreover, they will get you all relevant information about the institute, study materials, etc. according to your own requirements. Hence, keep yourself checked every time with the latest and fit into the current horizon that is going on by joining this institute. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have KSG India IAS coaching in North Delhi. KS India is ranked number 3. Why? Because they also have good faculties. The faculty members of this institute are very well experienced in their own specific domain, recognized as the hub of the IAS coaching center, and also Khan Study Group is one of the most and known eminent amongst all. Now let us talk about more features, which is continuous performance has set a benchmark amongst all the other institutes who are providing UPSC coaching to all aspirants. The proper procedure to channelize the energy of their students for the best outcome is done in the institute. It also enables candidates with advanced technology. Also, affordable perks provided to the all candidates in this institution. Also, apart from all these things, guest lectures, workshops and seminars for all the candidates appearing for the civil services examination is conducted in this institution. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address being 2521 Hudson Lane, Vijayanagar near GTB Metro Station, New Delhi, Delhi 110009. Contact number being 09717 380832 and the fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,25,000 per annum. Down to our rank 4 institution, we have Shri Ram's IAS coaching in North Delhi. Now let us talk about the features of this institution. Test series on contemporary and traditional topics support the candidates in multiple ways. Candidates are prepared for the personality test as well in this institution. Moreover, the current affairs magazine is published by the institute every year to help the students to learn the core and the techniques associated with the UPSC examination. They have 35 years of experience in guiding the candidates successfully to reputed government ranked designations. They also work in with guest lectures, workshops, seminars are conducted by the experts, ex-civil servants, a retired army officer as well as by the previous year's examinees as well. Revision classes, extra classes and backup classes for all the students is provided in this institution. Furthermore, which is the need of the hour, that is live interactive video lectures, online study material, etc. is also provided to all the candidates in this institution. The address being 7375 first floor beside GDB Nagar Metro Station, gate number 1, Ring Road, above Bank of Baroda, Kingsway Camp, New Delhi 110009. Contact number includes 0844-727-3027. Now let us talk about the fee structure, which includes a sum of rupees 1,65,000 for 10 months. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is IAS Edge Academy in North Delhi. Let's talk about its features. First, the faculty member of this institute is highly experienced and educated. Well-equipped infrastructure with all the latest technology is provided to the candidates. Periodical test series, mock tests are provided to all the candidates in order to analyze the level of knowledge and understanding of the candidates and further scope of improvement for every candidate. Extra classes, revision classes are also provided in this institution for those who require it. Further, small batch size providing a scope of providing specialized attention to all the candidates is provided in this institution. Personality development and diction classes for all the candidates is also held. Furthermore, smart classes and live interactive video lectures are also conducted. Now let us talk about the address, which is Outram Lanes, GDB Nagar, Delhi 110009. The contact numbers are 9999114095 and 9910922241. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, North Delhi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.